Morning.
Hello.
And we're back out. This is third time lucky.
Yep.
We had to cancel twice before Christmas.
Yeah, this is our Christmas do.
This is our Christmas do. So
30th of January.
But it's a lovely cold frosty morning, so we're up in Carnforth. We're going to get onto the canal and we're going to head south towards sort of Lancaster. Just a leisurely cruise.
Yeah, enjoy the scenery.
Couple of pubs, maybe get a bar lunch somewhere along the way, but as usual we'll bring you along further down.
See you later.
Yeah, that's us following the Lancaster now. We just passed through Carnforth. But it's a beautiful frosty morning on the canal. Morning. I'm alright. Yeah, canal path is stopped here. Can't get past. So they've got the canal drained as well, so back up this way. Bit of an off-road section here. Oh. Yeah. Oh, that was hard.
You've got me road bike.
Christ. That was tough going. Down here, look. Quarter past 11. Can hear it now. Here we go, Morecambe. City centre, what's that? Doesn't give the mileage, does it? Kendal, Carnforth and Hesbank, where we've come from. Yeah, just arriving into Lancaster, so I'm on the lookout for a pub lunch, as you do. Alright, we've stopped in the Sir Richard Owen in Lancaster, Wetherspoons. Had a well-earned burger
and a beer
and a pint.
Cheers.
Cheers everyone. Well, we sort of... Yeah, it might look sunny, but I can tell you it's cold.
Well, I've got 3 coats on after we stop for lunch.
Yeah, we've got plenty of layers on today. It might be lovely, but very cold. But we're not complaining because it's not raining.
Oh no. We know it's going to be cold in January, you just bring the right gear.
That's it. Adapt. And enjoy. Here we go. That's us.
Yeah, it's so clear today, you can see for miles, can't you?
Yeah, it's a good one. Hi.
Hiya.
Hi, right. There's Glasson. Ian is sporting some new headwear.
Yes. It's saved me 3 times already today.
Are you lying now?
Yeah, I am,
We haven't come off.
I have not, no. But it is right, I should be wearing a helmet, so I am.
See how long it lasts. Yeah, down there. No. Shut.
Open.
That's it. Well, I just called off at the Bolton-le-sands in Glasson. We thought it wasn't open till this evening, but clearly we're wrong, and it's open.
A little oasis.
Got a couple of beers.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Cheers. It's sunny in January.
Yeah, no, we're not used to this. Like it's very nice.
Yeah.
The Bolton-le-sands. Just stop on here. There's a little tap on the outside of this church, so we'll fill up with some water for our brews later. Is this a good idea?
Bit late, yeah.
We've got 10 mile of this.
It's alright after we get there, isn't it? Like to the bridge.
Yeah, a beautiful afternoon on the Glasson branch, heading towards Goldgate. But yeah, it's a lovely outlook. Right, that's us just cleared the lovely Glasson branch.
It was really nice.
And now
first time I've been down it was beautiful.
Yeah, see, it's first time down there. So yeah, back on the Lancaster, and we're going to push on towards Glasson. Right, it's been a while guys, but yeah, I've got a puncture. It's not completely flat yet, but it's well down, so we're going to blow it back up and see if there's any sealant coming out, because it has got sealant in it. The problem is it's that caked in mud, but we'll have a look. Okay, we've put some air in it, spun the wheel, hopefully the sealant will do its thing, but we'll continue and we'll just play it by ear, see how it goes there.
It's up for now. We'll walk with it for a bit.
Yeah, we'll see what
Actually,
it's like. Down.
It needs to be turned, we need to walk with it.
Right,
like.
right, let's go. Right, we're having to put more sealant in. I think these tyres have obviously used all the sealant that was in. It evaporates over time, so yeah, that should be enough. There's a 40
mils gone in now, isn't it?
Yeah, 40 mil, so that should be okay. We'll see. Yeah, get it.
We ain't got a clue where the puncture is.
No,
so we've got to get some sealant to where the puncture is.
Right, we've put, as I say, more sealant in. Keep the wheel moving, rotating. Hopefully it'll stay up. But yeah, took the pump off my bike, knackered. Thankfully, Ian had his, otherwise game over. Do you carry a second pump? I usually have them CO2 cartridges, but I've binned them recently, so yeah. Right, we'll keep moving.
Is it holding up?
Seems to be okay.
That's good then.
Alright. It won't be long and that'll be dropped and the temperatures will drop accordingly, but yeah, tyres staying up so far. Put some sealant in as we said. Fingers crossed it'll stay up. Lovely boat. Right, we've took to the road. It is very energy sapping on that towpath, so yeah, on the road to Glasson. Yeah. I don't know if you can see us, but we're stopped off at the Crown at Glasson for a pint.
We've been mud plugging. It's been absolutely 70% of the energy has just been going to staying upright on it. And
so this is purely for energy.
Yeah.
Yeah, the usual. Pizza for tea. How's that, Ian?
Lovely.
Top tasting Glasson, lovely. Right, we literally got the tents put up, got our gear inside, and the rain's come on. It was forecast to rain sort of later on tonight, 11 o'clock, but it's like 7 o'clock and it started, so luckily we're inside, we're dry, got our gear in, so we're just hoping this bit's going to blow over so we can sit outside and have a couple of beers and just have a chin wag and that, you know. But at the moment, tent bound. Okay, we're going to close out. We managed to get the shelters up just before the rain come, and it was quite a heavy shower.
Yeah.
We jumped in the old tents just to shelter, but since then it's been all good. We've had a wander about this woods and had a few beers, bit of chit chat. That's what you've got to do. It's after 10 now, so we're gonna
close it down for the night. There's a lot of rain coming through.
Big rain shower coming through about midnight, so that's supposed to clear about 4, 5, 6, depending on what you believe, because there wasn't any rain supposed to come.
Earlier was it? And we got shoved in.
We got here about 7 o'clock, and say the rain appeared. So yeah, but all is good. We'll catch you all in the morning.
See you tomorrow.